Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Words for Wonder. Today is day 10 of our 30-day vocabulary building challenge. Let's get started. Today's word of the day is Malinger. क्या आपने कभी किसी को काम से बचने के लिए बीमारी का बहाना बनाते हुए देखा है? Well, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में इसके लिए एक परफेक्ट वर्ड है Malinger. So, the word Malinger means pretend to be sick or make false excuses in order to avoid duties or responsibilities. Let's take few examples. John malingers every time there is a big project at the office. In Hindi, इसका मतलब है जॉन हर बार कोई बड़ा काम आने पर बीमार होने का नाटक करता है. This word has French origin and it entered the English language in the 19th century. Let's look at another example. The soldier was accused of malingering to avoid duties. In Hindi, सैनिक पर इल्जाम लगा कि उसने अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से बचने के लिए बीमार होने का नाटक किया. So, a few common synonyms of this word are work shirker and skulk. इन वर्ड्स का मतलब भी सिमिलर ही है. ये वर्ड उन लोगों के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं जो काम से बच निकलना चाहते हो. One interesting thing, you will notice that this word is often used in workplace situations, but it can also be used in school and personal life. There is another related word to this one. It's called agoraphobia. Agoraphobia is an irrational fear of work. ये वाली कंडीशन उन लोगों को होती है जो काम करने से बहुत ही ज्यादा घबराते हैं. Let's take examples now. Due to his agoraphobia, he avoided every job opportunity. Let's talk about the other side also. The people who are obsessed with the work. Yes, there is a term for that also. It's called ergasiomaniac. Ergasiomaniac is a person who is totally obsessed with work. Such people work without taking any breaks. For example, she's such an ergasiomaniac, working 16 hours a day without taking any breaks. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something new. If you like my content, please feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.